But if it's just me, it would take a little bit longer. I'm assuming it's just me. But um yeah, honestly, like similar to what I said, I would be throwing fettuccine alfredo at the wall. I'd be looking at what's already popular in the real estate niche. I'd be looking at what's already popular in the real estate niche, looking at like any sort of like housing videos or anything related to that. But also looking at TikToks, not sleeping on like not only seeing what's viral on YouTube, but also what's viral on TikTok, and then like meeting in between. And I'd be just like making all those viral videos. And then once I have like one of those videos that work, I'll just like turn it into a format that like we just do over and over and over and like over again until we get to 1 million, to be honest. But also like trying to like have multiple formats and buckets. And the reason for that, just to like give like a little more context on why, is like especially if you have a format or a bucket, it makes it really easy for YouTube to recommend the content again to the viewer, because they see, oh, this has a similar script, similar metadata, similar title. Chances are, if they like that video, they're gonna like this video, and then continue down the rabbit hole, and then they're gonna end up subscribing eventually. But I do want to add on top of that something else that I would look into if the goal is subscribers. Something that I've recently been doing is putting into like an Excel sheet, like what type of videos get the best conversion of subscribers, but also being weary of like performance of the video. So, for example, like when I make wholesome content, like with my family, my subscriber conversions are like 0.3%.